Okay, I'll get it. I'll get lip gloss. Oh, I'm not in. Vicky, can you sit down? Okay. Sorry. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to our channel.
It's ice cream.
Oh, thank you. What are we eating today, Cassidy?
Ice cream.
Yay! What do we have? Okay, so we have what is this? Mango Malona. Hold on, let me just put it in the middle so they can see. Oh, here it is. So they can focus. There you go. And then we have put it right where the square is, Gaga. Okay, but you gotta look at the camera, okay? Okay, no, we already showed them that. Okay, show them this one. So here is the green tea milk bar. This one is really good. Green tea and red bean milky ice bar. Okay, can we open it? Carter, can you pass Blakey's? Carter, pass Blakey's. Yeah. Oh.
That's in my phone.
Here, Blakey, this is yours.
Mama,
Here, baby.
almost phone.
Okay, you share with Mommy. Here.
Mama, mine almost.
Okay. Oh, you got Mommy's face. Okay, I gotta back this up.
Don't go beside me. I don't like it.
What? But you have to share, Cassidy.
Can you
Okay.
open this?
Open. Is it good? Here, Cassidy.
Is it mango?
Put it right here. Put it in front of you. That's square right in front of you. Here. Show everyone. See? They can focus that way. Okay, I'll just eat the leftover one. So this is honeydew.
Honeydew.
And you know what? We didn't thank everyone for 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, I don't
1K. Cheers. Carter. Cheers, Blake. Cheers. Yay.
Da.
Oh, I need to move the camera up a little bit more.
Mama.
Yes.
Wait.
What?
Mom, stop moving. Wait.
I'm sorry.
Mommy, this is bigger.
What? You tie your hair like that. Oh my gosh. Look at your face.
Ah.
Use a napkin, baby. Can I have my milk, my green tea one? This is good. Which one's your favorite, guys?
My favorite is this one and this one.
All of them?
Mama,
Baby, which one's your favorite? Don't pick your nose, baby.
Mama, I love this one.
Oh, you like the cream part?
No, wait. I love it, Lala. It's still good, guys. It's still good. Yeah. Who wants to try this? Here, guys.
Cassidy, you have to talk to them over there.
Here, guys.
Let them
Mama,
take a bite first. Yes, baby.
I don't love this.
Do you want the rest of this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, give it to Mommy. Oh. Here, baby. There you go.
Mama. Hey, that's with mine.
Sorry, we'll just share the napkin, Cassie. I brought 3.
No.
Cassidy.
Stop. Stop putting me the
I keep getting out of the shot.
Mommy, I don't like the pictures on here.
What?
I don't like that. Let's so good.
Cassie, try not to touch the table. You're making it squeaky.
Mine. No, it's mine.
What happened to all the napkins? I brought 3.
No.
Well, let's ask Daddy. Ask Daddy for it.
Daddy, give us some more napkins.
Please.
Daddy, give us some napkins, please. Oh, my foot is going to fall in here.
Cassie, why do you have to get lipstick on?
What?
Or lip gloss.
Ah,
Sorry.
Mom.
Yes.
Mom. I still love earrings in the house.
What?
Earrings.
Oh, earwigs, yeah.
Creepy. Daddy, not
Blake,
too much.
oh my gosh, so cold. Blake, where did you put the teacup? Why did you throw it? Go pick up the teacup. Go pick up the teacup. What did I tell you about throwing toys? Go pick up the teacup. Go. What did I tell you those things? Where'd you put it?
There.
Oh. Okay, come back. Drink your tea, Blakey. Drink your tea. Sit down. Yeah, we don't like earwigs in the house, right, Carter?
Yeah, it's really creepy.
Yeah, what did you see one today?
Even I saw in Carter's bathroom when the earrings came in the Carter's bathroom. An earring was in my I was in the toilet, and then I came on the toilet sink.
Turn around, my knee. Yes, baby.
The earring was in the toilet.
Yeah?
It was so creepy, guys. And
Stop touching the table.
And we tried to get it out.
I tried to get out of the toilet.
Yeah! Mom brushed it. That's open. Yeah. Oh, like Mikey's coin was gone.
Oh, I see.
That's Blakey. You didn't show it. Mama. Oh, Auntie. Oh.
Careful. Oh, you gotta eat, Blakey. Oh, Cassidy, your hair's going into his popsicle. Okay, it's getting really squishy here. I should use my, Blakey, don't hit your sister. I should use like my wire lens. So we don't have space. Here, Blakey, back up. Here, we'll sit here. Huh? There we go.
There we go.
Is it good? You like it? I have one, thank you.
Bye, Mama.
Oh, it's okay. Use a napkin, maybe wipe your shirt.
This was my...
Actually, you dirty shirt too.
That's cotton candy.
It's not cotton candy. You didn't even eat cotton candy.
Mom. What did you do to my dress? My favorite.
It's okay. We'll just wash it. It's okay. Actually, you haven't even eaten yours. We're almost done.
I must be serious.
So, we have 1,000 subscribers now, Cassidy.
Mommy.
Let me move the camera. Huh? I'll move it closer. Okay, hold on. You want to eat fried?
But how are you eating inside?
Here. Don't block our view. Here, move it over here.
Oh, it's really cold.
There you go. Oh, just sit down. They can't see you.
This bird.
Actually, don't do that. Just eat here like this. Look, just eat quietly, Cassie. Just as long as you're close. Oh, look, baby. Go like this. There, that's it. Well, you can just raise your head a little bit. I don't think you'll hear anything with this one though.
Mommy's kill you?
What? No, I don't. No, Cassie, stop. Is that good, Blake?
Yeah.
Red bean.
Do I see my napkin? No.
No.
It was right here.
It's okay, just get a new one. There's probably that one there. Put it down here, Cassie, so it looks neater up here. See? Now we've got wires going everywhere. Cassie, they can't even. Oh! This is like
a serious competition.
There you go, sideways. Yeah. There
It is a bad competition. It is. It is.
You know another one that's good? The milk tea bar from the same brand. So good. But
yeah, it's
recently I just started falling in love. You take that. No screaming. No screaming.
It's cold.
Actually, you haven't eaten anything. Look at yours.
It's really cold. Holy ice cream bar.
Let's ask you some questions, Cassidy.
Holy.
Who's your favorite My Little Pony?
Holy ice cream bar.
Cassidy, don't even start.
Holy ice cream.
Who's your favorite My Little Pony?
Pinkie Pie and Rainbow Dash and Princess Sparkle.
Blakey, who's your favorite My Little Pony?
Jack.
Who's Blakey's my favorite My Little Pony?
I don't know. He just like my Honey Polly. He just like monsters.
You like any of them?
No.
That's not even an answer.
Like it's he's shy. Shy.
Yeah, I don't think he's shy.
No, he's shy.
Shy?
Yeah, like me.
He's shy. You think you're shy?
Rainbow Dash shy.
Rainbow Dash is shy?
Yeah. Like it's a Rainbow Dash. Rainbow Dash looks shy. Or die. Or shy. Or shy. Nine. Where's Mom? No, Mom.
It's okay, just get another one. Get another one. It's okay. He's done, that's why. Okay, Cass, it's just me and you.
Yeah.
Hey, do you want to do the heart? Show the ice cream. Wait, how are we gonna do this? Okay. Wait. Silly girl.
Okay, how about we do it inside?
Mine too? It's not gonna fit. What is that? Oh, thank you, Blakey. Thank you. This is a used one.
Do you want to do Harvard ice cream?
This is weird, Cassidy.
Ice cream in there.
Here, look at the camera, sweetie. I don't know what's going on over there.
Let's put a mango inside.
Can you believe we finally hit 1K? 1,000 subscribers, Cassie, for our Shh, no screaming. Babies are sleeping upstairs.
Do you want to do a heart like this? It can't fit.
Here, do it first, then stick your ice cream in. Go. Oh my god. Silly. Okay, no more.
Okay, let's do it.
No, I don't want to do it anymore.
Okay,
No, I don't want to do it.
How about I do it by
No.
myself?
Okay, do it.
I'm doing it with a ice cream.
Okay.
I can't do it. Are you kidding me?
What?
You want to put on the eyelashes?
No. Yes, you got it on your shirt.
No, don't touch my shirt. And the ice cream.
What's my name, Cassidy?
Soda?
How old am I?
I don't know. Happy birthday, Zio. I love you.
Whose birthday is it tomorrow?
Zio.
Yeah. You love Zio? Hey.
He's funny.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's so funny about him?
Oh, his hair does hurt.
What?
His hair hurt. That's spooky. Like Daddy's.
Whose hair? Oh, Zio's hair.
Mommy's dripping.
Cassidy, because you're not eating. Okay, we're going to end it now because you're not eating. You're going to end it now?
Yeah.
Here, go put the fridge down.
Put it like
Go
this.
put in the fridge, yeah. She always has to save it. Here you go. Go put in the fridge. You coming back? Go put in the fridge and come back.
Alright. Want you?
We got the line dance coming.
No.
Blake, where are you? Come on here.
Oh.
Where are you? Cassie, go.
I'm out of here.
Cassie, go put ice cream away.
I'm out of here.
Okay, I'm not gonna do mukbang with you no more.
You done?
I'm done. Go put your ice cream and come back.
Bye. Be see you later.
Hi, Carter.
Hi, Carter.
No, why are you saying hi, Carter? I'm saying hi to you.
Oh, you can say hi, Carter.
I'm saying hi to you. You're supposed to say hi, mommy.
It's not fair. You don't love me now.
What are you talking
You
about?
don't love me.
No? Okay, we're gonna end it now. Okay, thank everybody for watching, guys. Come on.
Mommy, you don't love me anymore.
Okay, sit down. Sit down and end it, please.
You don't love me anymore.
Sit down, Cassidy. Okay, fine, forget it. Carter, you're my favorite now.
No.
Come sit here. Cassie, I was just joking. I've never said that before. Okay, come. End it, Cassie.
Thank you for watching our video. Come on, subscribe. Mama.
Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Blakey, come sit over here. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, Blake.
Wait, you.
Thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers for our channel. And we started a mukbang channel. I'm not sure if I'm putting this on there or the other one. So, thank you again for 1,000 subscribers. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Okay, let's go. I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
I'm out of here too.